sessions on e-governance. It's so fresh to have you here, so refreshing. It's nice to see that you have come to give these awards to our people. I'm sure that uh, they would be encouraged by your presence here. Would you like to say something right here?
Later? My schedule? Schedule
Okay.
later. I'm going as per schedule.
Okay. Let me have Mr. Satyendra Singh, IT Secretary, Jharkhand here. Mr. Eric Yu of Hubei. Can I have Mr. Ashank Desai of Bastek? And at the end, Shri MP Narayan, the President of CESDMS. Kindly come here. आइए अशांत जी.
Yeah. Sir, while the computer systems are being set up here, I will just use the opportunity. She is like scheduled to speak a bit later. I will request her to give a general impression about her views on IT for the masses itself to start with. Becomes a starter of the event.
Mr. Saxena had warned me that Mr. Gupta has a habit of phasaing people, and now I agree with you totally. It is quite an honor for me to be among such luminaries and dignitaries this evening. Very honestly, I have come to empower and enable myself in E-India 2011. Hence, they are very short comments that I have limited to my speech. And while he wants me to project and profess my views about the IT sector, let me only say this, that when I told my 10-year-old son, who's better at technology than I am, that I'm going to this particular conference, he told me, Mama, you're the last person who should go here because you're an indisciplined tweeter. You do not handle your Facebook account well. And I told my son, as mothers normally retort back pretty quickly, that no better place to go and empower yourself to learn than E-India 2011. I'm here to learn. I'm here to connect with some of the best minds in the ICT sector. And I guess no better place to connect than the most progressive state in the country, Gujarat.
Thank you so much. And being a star face, I think your message, when you take out from India, you talk about IT for the masses, I think it will have a lot of impact on everyone. So we will right now straight away go into the award announcement process. Can we have the mic on here, please, on the stage? Yep. Yeah. Sheena.
A very good evening to all our dignitaries present here, and we warmly welcome all our chief guests at the dais for the India Awards ceremony. I'd like to brief you about India Awards itself. These have been instituted with the aim of felicitating and acknowledging all the initiatives in the field of IT with reference to education, governance and health. We had received more than 150 nominations for India Awards from across states in India. We also had received nominations from several countries outside India, including Egypt, Malaysia, Sudan, New Zealand, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and many more countries who had enthusiastically participated at the awards ceremony. We would start with the award nominations and the winners, announce the winners in the e-governance category. E-governance has been one of our critical areas which we focus on, and we had received several innovative nominations under this category. We would also like to introduce you to the E-India Awards process. We have two nominations under this. One is the Public Choice Award and one is the Jury Choice Award. Public Choice Award is where all the nominations have been put up on our website for the public voting process. We had received more than 1 lakh people voting for our projects. The nominations which received the highest number of votes have been declared the winners under the Public Choice Award. For the Jury Choice Award, we had a list of more than 10 expert panels in the field of education, governance, and health who had scanned through the nominations, rated these nominations, and we had declared the winners based on their judgments. And we have the E-India Jury Choice Award under that category. A few of our jury members include Srimati Lekha Kumar, Commissioner, Income Tax, Department of Revenue in the Ministry of Finance, Government of India. Rest of our jury members can be viewed here. We'll start quickly with the eGov India Awards 2011. Best Government to Business Initiative of the Year. The award goes to, for the Jury Choice Award, OASIS, Online Application and Scrutiny of Interstate Transactions. The implementing agency has been the Commissioner, Commercial Tax, Government of Gujarat. I would like to invite the representative and the Commissioner to come and please kindly accept the award. The project facilitates taxpayers to avail and print all kinds of forms related to commercial taxes. Thank you, sir. The Public Choice Award under this category goes to E-Governance of Mineral Administration, Geology and Mining. The implementing agency under this is Encode Solutions, a division of GNFC Limited, Gujarat. I would like to invite the representatives to kindly come and receive the award. A brief about the award. The project facilitates e-procurement in Gujarat Narmada Valley Fertilizers Company Limited by issuing digital certificates to access the website and authenticate the vendors. The next category of awards comes under the Best Government to Citizen Initiative of the Year. The Best Government to Citizen Initiative of the Year, Jury Choice Award goes to ICDS GMIS, Geographical Management and Monitoring Information System for ICDS. The implementing agency for this is the Women Development, Child Welfare and Disabled Welfare Department, Government of Andhra Pradesh. May I invite the representative from the Government of Andhra Pradesh to kindly collect the award. Are the representatives here? I would like any representative from the Government of Andhra Pradesh to kindly take the award on their behalf. May we have a big round of applause, please? The project has been aiming to provide more help to the Anganwadis so that they can deliver effective services in time to the need-based prioritized persons. Another round of applause, please. The Public Choice Award under this category goes to E-Governance Strategies and ICT-Enabled Initiatives at Chief Minister's Office, Gujarat. Implementing agency has been the Chief Minister's Office, IT, Gujarat. May we invite the representatives to kindly take the award. Dr. Neeta Shah may also be invited. We invite Dr. Neeta Shah to also be present at the dais to collect the award. The project was started for the promotion of e-governance in the state and providing transparent, affordable, accessible and accountable effective services to citizens. round of applause, please. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Our next category comes under Best Government-to-Government Initiative of the Year. The winners under this for the Jury Choice Award is creation of Visual Minimum Valuation Register using GIS maps, implemented by Registration Excise Prohibition Department, Government of Bihar. May I invite the representatives to kindly be present at the stage to collect the award. Do we have any representatives of this project? We will then move on to the next project. The next project under the Public Choice Award which receives this award is Hotnet, implemented by the Department of Horticulture, Government of Andhra Pradesh. May we have the representative at the stage? May we have a big round of applause, please? The project is an online workflow automation system for the benefit of farmers. To ensure an end-to-end holistic approach. Our next round of awards goes to the Best ICT-enabled eGov Initiative of the Year. The Jury Choice Award goes to Chennai City Traffic Police, implemented by the Knowledge Foundation. May we have the representative at the stage? We would then move on to the next project under the Public Choice Award, Online Scholarship Management System, implemented by the Andhra Pradesh State Minorities Finance Corporation Limited. May we invite Sri Ilyas Rizvi to come and receive the award. Category is Best ICT in Financial Initiative of the Year, Financial Inclusion Initiative of the Year. The Jury Choice Award under this category goes to eScholarship, Department of Social Justice and Special Assistance, Government of Maharashtra and Mastec Limited. Big round of applause, please. May we invite the representatives to come to the stage? We invite Mr. Ashank Desai to kindly receive the award on behalf of Mastec. Public Choice Award under this category goes to AISECT Financial Inclusion Model for Rural India, implemented by AISECT. May we invite the representatives to please come to the stage. We thank you, sir, for your presence at the award ceremony. We will quickly move on to the next section, Best Telecenter Initiative of the Year. For the Jury Choice Award, we have a winner, Community Public-Private Participation through Community Knowledge Center Model, implemented by CFanda Community Technology Center. May we invite the representatives to kindly come to the stage and collect. May we invite the representatives to please collect the award. Big round of applause, please. The project envisages enabling the back-end computerization and also using SWAN for connectivity and CSC for service delivery. Big round of applause to our award winners, please. For the Public Choice Award, the winner is Online Voting System, implemented by State Election Commission, Government of Gujarat.
Done with the first section of the award, so when the speaker won the award. And we will have a very short cultural break and then we will proceed for the other award. Okay, we request all the dignitaries to kindly come.
Hare
Jharkhand IT Secretary Satyendra Ji, and also Suresh Katkar, who is the founder and the CMD of the SIS, who is the one of the leading pioneers of ICT in Gujarat, and also is the president of CCI. So we have to have the spirit of industry academia collaboration and governance collaboration, and that spirit we are having this eminent person knowledge on the stage, and I will request my colleague Sheena to come here and announce the awards.
Thank you, sir. We will now start with the Digital Learning Award, which is our education award for India. First category under Digital Learning Award goes for the Best Assessment Tool Provider. The winner for the Public Jury Choice Award under this category is 247guru.com, implemented by LearnSmart India Private Limited. May we invite the representative to kindly come to the stage to receive the award. 247guru.com. May I invite Mr. Murli to come and receive the award. May I invite a representative from 24/7 to come and receive the award. Any representative from 24/7? We will move on to the next category. This is Public Choice Award. For this category goes to TeachNext, implemented by Next Education India Private Limited. May I invite the representative from Next Education to come and receive the award. A big round of applause to our winners here. Thank you, ma'am. The next category comes under Best ICT-enabled content for K-12 education. The winner under the Jury Choice Award is